Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof. With these ratings, come test drive the 2018 X1. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV. Slightly smaller than the X3, the X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, power lift gate, backup camera, air conditioning, dual airbags, panoramic moonroof, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
To be eligible for the Certified Pre-Owned Vehicle Program, a BMW must pass a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians. Stop into your local BMW dealer today and ask to see the BMW Certified Pre-Owned Inspection Checklist. It is your assurance that pre-owned BMW you are purchasing retains the quality, reliability, and overall pleasure that BMW owners have come to expect. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Come see us at Alderson Cadillac. We have a great selection. We have great people. We value our customers before, during, and after the sale. We're generations deep in luxury since 1949.